All right, here we go with our phonics lesson. Say throat. Sound throat. Oat. Say faint. Sound faint. Ain't. Say roast. Sound roast. Roast. Say growl. Sound growl. Owl. Say roads. Sound roads. Ods. Say croak. Sound croak. Oak. Good job. Now we're going to do some new sound spellings. So we are going to read our first sentence. Read it with me. Look at the moon. So in our first sentence, our spelling pattern is O-O. O-O says like look, and O-O says ooh like moon. Read the next sentence with me. They blew a few bubbles. The next sound pattern that we have is EW. EW says ooh like blue, and it also says you like few. The last sound spelling we have, let's read the sentence. Ready? This kitty is little. The last sound spelling we have is at the end of the word, and it is T-L-E. T-L-E says tull. So here we go on to our sound spelling cards. So here we go. Ready? And oo. Ooh and you. Tull. Now here's our review ones. Ready? O. S. E. E. R. U and ooh. Ooh and E. Or. I. A. Ed. T and D. Dur. Tull. Ow and O. Ooh and you. A. O. Good job. Let's go back and read some words. Here we go. Look. Sound. Blowing. Read. Blowing. Look. Sound. Stroke. Read. Stroke. Look. Sound. Foot. Read. Foot. Look. Sound. Blue. Read. Blue. Look. Read. Hook. Look. Goat. Read. Goat. Look. Sound. oot, read, boot. Look, sound, ooh, read, new. Look, sound, read, tray. Look, sound, read, hood. Look, sound, plowed, read, plowed. Look, sound, ool, read, cool. Look, sound, eeth, read, teeth. Look, sound, ooze, choose. Look, sound, read, room. Look, sound, oak, croak. Look, sound, hair. Look, sound, scoop. Look, sound, blessing, read, blessing. Look, sound, scars, read, scars. Now we're going to do our 2 challenge words. Here we go. Look, read, blooming, blooming. Look, sound, growing, read, growing. Now we're going to do our syllables. And I see our syllable DLE. And so when the word is handle. When I say it, handle. It has 2 syllables. Dull is the second syllable. Let's do the next one. This word is middle. Let's snap it. Middle. Mid is the first syllable. Dull is the second syllable. This word is needle. Let's snap it. Needle. The first syllable is knee. Dull is our second syllable. This word is cattle. Snap it. Cattle. I separate it between cat and tull, between my 2 consonants. My next word is turtle. Snap it. Turtle. My first syllable is tur. My second syllable is tull. Good job. Now we have our sight words. We're going to read our stories. Our sentences. I'm so sorry. We're going to read our sentences. Here we go. Ready? Read it with me. I can eat the whole apple. The first sight word we have is whole. This is not like you're going to dig a hole in your yard. This means all of it. So I can eat all of the apple. I can eat the whole apple. Let's read the next sentence. Whose lunch is this? Our sight word for this sentence is whose. Whose is a question word and it belongs to someone. So we're asking which person belongs to that lunch. Our next one, let's read the sentence. Who's there? This sentence also has whose. This one means it belongs to someone. Whose, with an apostrophe S, means it's in a contraction, and this means it says who is there. Excellent job. Let's go and let's read our sight words. Here we go. Ready? Whole. W-H-O-L-E, whole. Whose. W-H-O-S-E, whose. Whose. W-H-O apostrophe S, whose. Here we go on our review words. Ready? Should. S-H-O-U-L-D, should. Ever. E-V-E-R, ever. Head. H-E-A-D, head. Woman. W-O-M-A-N, woman. Even. E-V-E-N, even. Whole. W-H-O-L-E, whole. Women. W-O-M-E-N, women. Whose. W-H-O apostrophe S, whose. Ms, capital M-S period, Ms. Never. N-E-V-E-R, never. Miss, capital M-I-S-S, miss. Whose. W-H-O-S-E, whose. Only. O-N-L-Y, only. True. T-R-U-E, true. One. W-O-N, one. Change. C-H-A-N-G-E, change. Bread. B-R-E-A-D, bread. Blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Often. O-F-T-E-N, often. For. F-O-U-R, for. Toward. T-O-W-A-R-D, toward. Mrs. Capital M-R-S period, Mrs. Beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. Mr. Capital M-R period, Mr. And that's the end of our phonics lesson. Good job. Way to go. Pat yourself on the back.